Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator just like I have and you'd like to always be able to check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, you have to enter the settings. This operation is so easy. So in the settings you have to scroll down to find the battery, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the option battery percentage. So of course in my case it is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on you can see the percentage on the status bar. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.